Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to delete your StockX account? Here's how to do it the right way. First of all, if you only want to remove your billing information, go to account settings and submit a delete billing request. This removes your saved payment methods and addresses. If you own an NFT, be sure to sell it first. Deleting your account will remove all NFTs permanently. To fully delete your account, StockX, visit the StockX Trust Center and submit a deletion request. StockX may need to retain some information for legal and security reasons like transaction history. And that's it. Visit the StockX Help Center for more details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.